no, I think we have a bear. It's inside our tent. Almost ready, baby. There was just so many stars. There was so many shooting stars. I saw about 15 to 20 of them. On top of that, it was the northern lights. I couldn't believe it. It was so amazing. Good morning guys. It's a beautiful morning right here in BC. We are absolutely loving our camping spot. It's so beautiful. I don't know if in the background you can hear, but we woke up to the waves of the lake. It's been raining a little bit, so we woke up to beautiful rain. It's been an absolute dream. It's amazing. We were in love with this camping spot. We wanted, we realized that sometimes we were sad because we couldn't have that camping space that we thought we wanted, which is the only one we knew. And then we went exploring more and we found an even better one. So, we think that sometimes in life you want something and you think that's everything that you want. But then you realize that God and the universe have something even bigger planned for you. So sometimes we just have to trust that everything is going to work out the best way possible in your life. And when you attract that energy, when you think this way, everything always works out in the most incredible and amazing way, because you deserve that and so much more. Everything beautiful that happens in your life, you deserve. Now, let me take you on a little bit of a tour of how our camping location is. Well, this is how our tent looks. As you can see, we have a very big tent. We don't have a lot of stuff to put inside of it, so it's kind of like a mansion. It's a 10 people tent. It was perfect. We found it. We're like, okay, we're upgrading, and we did a huge upgrade because now we can fit a queen bed. Every time we've come camping before, we've always fitted only a twin size bed. So Salva and I, we love cuddling, so we sleep very tight. And even right now in the queen size bed, we were still very cuddling together. Like, we were using probably half of what the mattress is, but it was so comfortable. It was a little bit chilly at night. Yes, I was sleeping with 2 pants and a hoodie. Salva wasn't too cold, but I was. As you know, I get very cold. But now let me take you outside so you can take a look at how everything looks out there. As you can see, this is the exit of our tent. As you exit right here, you open the tent and you have this incredible view. We have both of our chairs right here. We found these 2 tree trunks, and then we put that one on top, so it's like our little table, or like a leg rest as well to stretch our legs. Look at the colors of the lake, and it's cloudy right now, so you can't really see it, but you can see a little bit of emerald right here, some yellow, and then of course the rocks right there. We did see on the Weather Channel that it was gonna rain today, well, yesterday, and a little bit today, but then tomorrow's gonna be sunny, so hopefully we get some nice blue skies. If not like this, it's very nice. It's about 15 degrees and it's a little bit chilly, not too much. And then this is how incredible it looks. You get a lot of trees. We're the only ones on this big section. This is our mansion. That was already there. We didn't use that because it's way too big. But Salva built us a fireplace, as you can see right here. It's so beautiful. We didn't turn it on last night because it was raining. And then, baby, tell them, what are you doing right here? Oh, hey, that's actually looking really good.
Handmade DIY.
Fishing rod. Well, no, that's a fishing rod. Well, I don't know, fishing things. Yeah, to go fishing.
I try to fish something. I'll let you guys know when I catch.
Yes. Have you ever been fishing before?
Not really, just once. And I catch the mermaid that is
You caught. But yeah, he was like, baby, I'm gonna fish. And I'm like, okay. I've never gone fishing before. And we didn't have a, but he just bought that, and then he said he's gonna build it, and he's actually doing a pretty good job. This guy right here, he will create anything and everything out of whatever he has in hand. Well, and a really nice thing as well is that with that same board, We did. Last night he made us matching bracelets. Right now it's like a different color, original color. Now they're like, because it's been a year. Baby, can you believe we were here a year ago? Well, stay tuned. We'll show you guys how good his fishing stick comes out.
I'm celebrating. Heart made of stone, but I'm just fine. I'm gonna shine. I'm alright.
Almost ready, baby. Boy, I hope you're hungry.
I am.
We got some huevitos, quesadillas, some sausage, Italian sausage, and freshly made guacamole. For some chips and salsa, chips and guacamole.
I'm alright.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are finally, woo! We have a fishing rod. Baby, it actually looks really good. I'm proud. You're pretty creative, my love. Do you guys think that Salva should post a video on how a DIY caña de pescar? I think you should. Maybe I think you should teach people how you made it. That's pretty good.
People want actually.
Okay, let us know in the comments if you want him to do a tutorial. He'll let you guys know how he built it.
Heart made of stone, but I'm just fine.
Alright guys, so we came up with this invention. It's actually really good. So you put a beer, right? It's almost a full can. I would say 3/4 of a can. And then you have to buy a passion fruit nectar. So you can get this anywhere, Walmart, Superstore. We found it in Superstore. So you get the passion fruit nectar, and then afterwards you just simply, our little table, make sure you mix it before, but you add about this much of passion fruit, and all of a sudden you have passion fruit beer. Cheers. Passion fruit beer. Baby. What do you think of the passion fruit beer?
Really good. You guys gotta try it.
Yeah, it's really nice because it's a creative way of, like, I don't know, doing something different with your beer. We sometimes get tired of just the flavor, so we're gonna have passion fruit, mango, watermelon. We'll let you guys know how the other flavors are, but passion fruit, 100%. Yay! What happened? Alright guys, now for lunch we are gonna have some of the soups. Thank you Mom and Dad for sponsoring our soup. We originally had bought, well, the only ones that we were able to find were this ones. We've never tried them before, but last time we tried one and it was not that good. Our absolute favorite soup. Baby, what's our favorite soup?
Taiwan.
The which one?
Taiwan.
The one from Thailand?
Yeah.
How is it?
It's really good.
So this one right here, we're gonna link right there. That soup, it is the bomb, guys. It's the best. If any of you guys know where to get the soup, please let us know down in the comments because we will get it. If there's anywhere in Canada that we can get the soup, let us know.
I'm moving strong, I'll get it done. I'm alright. Might be shaken but not stirred. Just a lesson that I've learned. And so it goes, tables turn, you're on your own. When I think about
Dinner time's almost ready, baby. He's got the steaks and I got the rest.
me, I know that I am so much better.
Surpresa! Yo te amo a ti.
I know I'm so much better off. Baby, you don't belong.
Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
Happy day number 3 of camping. Look at this beautiful, gorgeous day. It is amazing. Here, I'll put it like this so you can see it better. It's a beautiful sunny day. And we couldn't have asked for a better camping location. This is absolutely incredible. Have you been enjoying it, mi amor?
Oh yeah, look. Perfect.
It's so perfect. I'll give you guys a little bit of a tour. Here is our living room. We have the entrance to our mansion right here. My fiance.
Hello.
That's our speaker system over there. So maybe show them how comfortable our couch is. Yes. See, we have the couch right next to our fireplace right here. Kitchen over there. What more can we ask for? Beautiful. Quick stop. We left our campground. We're coming to save on foods in the town of Revelstoke, and we're stopping because we're getting a little bit of ice. What else do we need?
Oil and
Oh yes,
lot.
logs.
Lot.
If you ever need like any quick stop, you're camping anywhere nearby in Revelstoke, it's very nice to just come to the town. We like coming to the Save on Foods that's here. It's very nice, very reliable. It has a little bit of everything. So, and then another thing is that, you know, I guess when you're camping, you don't really have the best washroom facilities. So if you come here to do some shopping, you can also use the real washer. So good tip right there. Alright guys, and we are back in our camping site. We got some ice, we got some wood, we got everything ready to go so we can stay another day camping here. And right now we're gonna make our little dinner. Well, it's like a lunch because we had so many snacks that we ended up not being hungry for lunch. So we are making hot dogs. As you can see around this time, the water, it's so peaceful. Everything is so calm. You can just hear the small waterfall. Come on. Oh no, I think we have a bear. It's inside our tent. Amor, we were being peaceful.
about to leave. Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away.
Good morning, and welcome to day number 4 of camping. It's an incredibly beautiful day. We have amazing weather, no clouds. It's gonna be plus 30 degrees today. And today it's extra special as well because it's my birthday. We had such an incredible night last night. We'll put here some of the pictures. So last night Salva decorated for me out here. Like he put, as you can see, he put some balloons. He put a birthday sign over there. Then he put some lights. I'll put the video right here. It's on Instagram mode, but you'll be able to see how the whole, like it was like lit up the whole way. And then that went all the way to like where the birthday sign was. He had the fireplace. It was so beautiful, so romantic. And then right at midnight, he sings me happy birthday. Then he brings me a little like birthday surprise. And then we're just like taking a picture. We're so happy. I'm like, oh, thank you. So beautiful. Yes, happy birthday. And all of a sudden we look at the sky and I'm like, baby, what is that? And he's like, yeah, I see it too. It was like some lines. And then the lines start moving. So we're like, no. I was like, what's that? And then Sal was like, baby, they're northern lights. I was like, no way. I was like, no way. I couldn't believe it. I was like, no. He's like, yeah. And then all of a sudden it was northern lights at 12:10. So like right after my birthday, because it's like when we try to take the picture to see like if they were really like, because we're like, it looked like headlights of the car. And then afterwards, we actually started seeing them, and then they were moving, and oh, it was so incredible. I felt so special. I couldn't believe it. Like it was like a gift from God, a gift from the universe for my birthday to get northern lights here where we were, and so where we saw them dancing was right there. Like that's where we started to see them dancing. So then we went over to that side right there. And these are the pictures right here. You can see that it was incredible. The sky was gorgeous. Here are the pictures of all the sky that we took. We took a whole bunch. We'll put them all here. That like the sky was so just full of stars. We had seen it with a lot of stars, but last night there was just so many stars. There was so many shooting stars. I saw about 15 to 20 of them. Salva saw more. I don't know, he caught more of them. On top of that, it was the northern lights. I couldn't believe it. It was so amazing. Not for today, but we're leaving our little camping spot, and it was such an amazing experience. Like, I don't know. What do you think of the spot, baby?
Magical. No other word to describe it.
Magical, yeah. It's truly magical. It's amazing.